Hi friends, you're watching movie reviews with Raghuram. Finding Anamika, the teaser of Finding Anamika starring who? Madhuri Dixit Nene. The gorgeous Madhuri Dixit Nene. Just now I watched it and it is good. Nothing much again has been shown in the teaser. The gorgeous looking Madhuri Dixit Nene playing the role of Anamika Anand steps out of her car with that lavish dressing, and we can see a lot of cameramen snapping their cameras trying to take her pictures. She is in the limelight, and a lot of videos are also running on her, and she is enjoying the moment, enjoying the limelight, and that is Mrs. Madhuri Dixit Nene for you. And moreover, what a fantastic news, what a fantastic news, what a fantastic scenario to see the diva of the big screen appear on the small screen. Madhuri Dixit, welcome to the small screen, and it is fantastic to see her. She is as gorgeous as she was in her Esther years. Nothing has faded out. Madhuri Dixit is Madhuri Dixit, and I am definitely going to watch this movie or web series, whatever it is, for Madhuri Dixit. Finding Anamika will be coming very soon on Netflix. And what does it mean, Finding Anamika? It is an interesting question. Is it introspection where she is trying to dive deep inside her and trying to discover her potentials, or is it a fight back of her Anamika, the character Anamika, whether she is introspecting her, finding herself within herself, or trying to find out how she exactly fits into the empire of the entire universe, is a big question which this web series or the movie, whatever it is, will be answering us. We can hear someone ask Anamika or Madhuri Dixit in the teaser, what does it feel like being Anamika Anand? She tells it is good. It is good to feel. And after so long time, she is still stunned, she is still shocked, and she is still happy that the things are really good and things are really great. And she tells kisi ka nazar na lage. I wish nobody casts their evil eyes on me or what I am. Some stories are nothing short of a spectacle. We can see this in the description of the movie or the description of the teaser. Interesting, isn't it? Some stories are nothing short of a spectacle. So this should be a spectacular story in which there is a spectacular, wonderful, gorgeous, beautiful and awesome Madhuri Dixit Nene. Is she playing a role similar to that of Cinderella or Snow White, or a combination of both? Whatever. Madhuri Dixit is Madhuri Dixit, as I said, and I'll be waiting to watch this Finding Anamika, to find who is Anamika, what is Anamika, just for Madhuri Dixit. And we also can find another line in the description of the teaser, which I'll read out for you. I think it a little bit clarifies of what exactly this Finding Anamika may be. And see the name of the protagonist also, Anamika. Does it give you any clue? So the line goes like this. Finding Anamika is the story of a person. It is a story of a person who was maybe not always under the spotlight, but will always remain in the limelight. So beautiful words. Anamika was a person who was not always under the spotlight, but will always remain in the limelight. Probably this also adds on to the description of what the web series or the movie Finding Anamika can be all about. And the title itself, Finding Anamika, and the name of the protagonist Anamika itself is intriguing, and it creates a lot of speculations, a lot of questions around the title and also the content. It is a very, very short teaser which doesn't show or reveal much. I think the movie makers or the web series makers wants us to wait for long. And I think the trailer may reveal some secrets, if not all, some secrets. Waiting for the trailer now. Thanks for watching my video. If you loved my video, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch up with you all in my next video with yet another movie review. Until then, do take care. Goodbye. Namaste.